Hey man, don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, hit that notification bell for any videos that I drop. You know, you'll be notified. Um, you know, I'm just dropping content. Let me know what type of content you may feel like you want to see. You know, just chime in, engage. So y'all get at me. Let me know. All right, so I got a few repairs that I'm gonna be doing on it. I'm gonna start with one at a time, but it's a 09, 08 BMW 528i. First repair I'm going to start with strut mounts. Alright, so we got squeaking coming from the front end, and the cause of it are these. Simple, quick fix, but it's a BMW, so we gotta charge like a BMW. Alright, so first step we're gonna do is get it up in the air, jack stands, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. That's it, up in the air, just like that. Who needs a shop when you can get it up in the air like this? Alright, let's get it. Alright, next we got an 18mm that's gonna get these lugs off. Damn tire was on there so good, I had to bang it off. Dang. Alright, see what we have here. That is our strutting shock assembly, brake assembly. Here we got this arm here is gonna have to come off out of tie rod. I'm gonna have to take this off here. All that's gonna have to slide out. Got a couple things to do, so we're gonna go through it. Alright, got that loose. Oh yeah. Take these two off so I can spread that open so I can slide it up out of there. Take off these connectors. Alright, we got an 18mm holding this side while I take this side off with another 18mm, and that is gonna take that bolt out. Alright, gotta take off this ABS sensor here. Alright, I ain't even have to remove that because this whole little arm comes off. Swing it to the side. Alright. Alright, you see how it's coming down. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is spray a little WD-40, get it lubricated. Alright, You can see how it comes out like that. Alright. Okay, so we got this arm here. That one there has to come off on this side. Swing it down. That's the bolt. Check out those bolts up top. 313 millimeters. Alright, you see how I tap that in there in between, just spread it open. And then I can move this a little better. Alright, next, to get these off, is strut mount. This is what we need right here. Gotta take off the bolt in the middle. We gotta hold the spring, compress it. We're gonna get to it. Alright, so that's the setup. We're gonna turn these righty-tighty. We're gonna squeeze in like that, both sides. Make room to remove this 21 millimeter bolt. And look like you need the absorber. It's on here. Gotta get some pliers, get some vice grips and hold. Alright, so to keep that from spinning, I'm gonna put some pliers on it. You gotta loosen it up. Spring back out. Got everything reverse order. Alright, I had to put the jack up under here so I can push the sleeve back in and set it in place. Now I can put all my bolts back in. Man, this damn battery going dead, so I'm gonna try to get the rest that I can. But we pretty much done. Alright, so that's it. Got everything back together. This GoPro won't let me do the whole video as far as the other side goes, but you got the gist of everything. And